All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We've got the 16 gorgeous contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. So let's give them a loud round of applause. Come on, just look at them. Absolutely fabulous. Now it's time for the contestants' self-introduction. Contestant number 1. Let's welcome her with an applause, shall we? The lovely Akhila.
Good evening, judges. I'm Akhila Kishore from Bangalore, standing tall at 5 feet 9 inches and 22 years old. As I told you earlier, I'm a model and a software engineer. My success mantra has been this saying in Latin, which goes like this: Amat curari victory, which means victory always favors preparation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was contestant number 1, Akhila. And now, let's welcome contestant number 2, Aparna.
Good evening, judges. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aparna Dubey, 19 years old, with a passion for life, music, and fashion. Being a part of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is a big thing for me, as I feel I can represent all the qualities that a Queen of India is supposed to represent. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.
Thank you very much, Aparna, which takes us to contestant number 3. Let's welcome her with an applause. Come on.
Good evening, judges, and good evening to everybody. Myself, Athira Ajit, hailing from Trivandrum, representing God's own country, Kerala. I'm doing my first year graduation on BBM. I'm aspiring to be an entrepreneur in the IT industry someday. Hope you enjoyed the event. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's contestant number 3, Athira. Our next contestant at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is contestant number 4, Bhavna.
Good evening, judges, ladies and gentlemen. I am Bhavna, contestant number 4, representing capital city of New Delhi. I am an English graduate and currently studying for my master's in political science. I also believe the fact that beauty may bring happiness, but happiness is something that always brings beauty. So let us all spread the happiness and stay beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you for that lovely contestant number 5. Let's welcome Jhanavi.
I am Janvi Prakash Pachari from the City of Dreams. I strongly believe in the fact that yesterday is a past, tomorrow is a future, and today is a gift. That is why we all call it a present. And as someone rightly said, remember your past, believe in your today, and keep your eyes on the destiny that you create today. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Moving on, our next contestant is number 6, Kirti.
A very good evening to judges, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kirti Gupta and I belong from a place where love, peace and harmony are 100% thumbs up. That is my hometown, Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. I always try and maintain a positive attitude in life. Thank you.
Our next contestant at Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 is contestant number 7, Lakshmi.
I, Lakshmi Anand from Bangalore. I have never waited for an opportunity to come by to give me a ride of a lifetime, but pursued prospects myself, be it starting early at the age of 18 as an IT consultant or moving on to become a model and a beauty queen. I have gained appreciation throughout for making my decisions and working on it. Thank you.
Which brings us to contestant number 8, Leena.
Good evening, judges and one and all present here. I am Leena Vishwakarma from the City of Dreams, Mumbai. I strongly believe that Past is gone and future is yet to come. So I want to live every moment of present to the fullest. Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
Contestant number 8. Contestant number 9 follows up next. We've got the lovely Nancy.
I am Nancy Gupta and I belong to the city known as Queen of Hills, Shimla. I'm also a firm believer of the fact that one should not only act but also dream. Not only plan but also believe. And I am a combination of both. Thank you.
Our next contestant is contestant number 10, Pragyan.
My name is Pragyan Pradhan, contestant number 10. I am pursuing Bachelor's in Engineering, which is presently an exercise for my brain and maybe will later fill my stomach, hopefully. Thank you, Kerala. Have a lovely evening.
Moving on, our contestant number 11 is the lovely Priya.
I am Priya Naidu from Hyderabad, a city known of pearls and smiles. Well, I have finished my graduation in BSc. Later, I have realized that I am here for something special which excites me every day. Then I followed my mind and heart. Thank you so much, Kerala, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you very much. Moving on, Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012. Our next contestant is number 12. Let's welcome Priyanka.
Myself, Priyanka Saha, contestant number 12. I come from a land of green valleys and blue hills, Assam. I am who I am and I believe in myself. Nanni, Kerala.
Thank you very much. Contestant number 13, Sakshi, making that number even more beautiful.
I must say Sat Sri Akal to all the honorable judges and the audience present here. Proudly representing the City of Temples, Jammu, I am contestant number 13, Sakshi Khurana. So I am here to capture your hearts tonight. Hope you have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Now it takes us to contestant number 14, the lovely Saru.
Contestant number 14, Saru Walia. I have come here from the city of hills and beauty, Dehradun. Today, I am here to fulfill a dream of my parents, to bloom my life like a flower. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this evening.
Thank you very much, Saru. Now we move on to our second last contestant, contestant number 15, which is Tinkal.
I, Tinkal Bal, representing Kerala for Miss Queen of India 2012, believe in my dreams. I do believe that destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. And I have chosen my own destiny to stand here as a part of Miss Queen of India 2012. Thank you.
Here is contestant number 15, which takes us to our final contestant, contestant number 16. Here is the lovely Vanishri.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and Namaskaram, Kerala. I am Vanishri Bhatt, a model from Bangalore. I'm passionate about fictional writing, literary art, pencil sketching, painting, and acting, as I believe you spread the vibrance of smile and joy around you, and the world shall smile back at you. Good evening. I hope you all enjoy this evening.
Thank you very much. Now, what I want to tell you is, notice the lovely jewelry all of them are wearing. Well, it's been specially designed and created by Mrs. Preeti Prakashan from Paraka Jewels. So let's give her a loud round of applause and welcome Mrs. Preeti Prakashan on stage. Okay, let's give her a loud round of applause. So once again, let's give these 16 contestants of Manappuram Miss Queen of India 2012 a loud round of applause.